Have you ever looked out at the vast, mysterious ocean and wondered what secrets it holds? Well, one of its biggest secrets isn't a place, but a mind of a whale. We see them as gentle giants, but what if I told you they're some of the most intelligent creatures on this planet? Let's dive deep and uncover just how smart these ocean giants really are. First, let's talk about the brain. A sperm whale's brain is the largest on Earth, weighing up to 20 pounds. That's nearly 7 times heavier than a human brain. But size isn't everything. What's truly fascinating is the complexity. Whale brains, especially those of dolphins and orcas, have incredibly complex neocortexes. This is the part of the brain responsible for problem-solving, self-awareness, and conscious thought. In fact, some whales have specialized brain cells called spindle neurons, which in humans are linked to empathy, intuition, and social cognition. This suggests they might experience complex emotions and form deep social bonds, much like we do, and their social lives are incredibly sophisticated. Orcas, for example, live in tight-knit family pods, each with its own unique culture. I'm not just talking about social habits. I mean distinct dialects, hunting strategies, and traditions passed down through generations. Scientists have observed different orcapods teaching their young very specific and complex techniques to hunt seals, fish, or even other whales. One group in Argentina famously learned to beach themselves temporarily to catch sea lions on the shore, a risky and highly coordinated maneuver that they teach to their calves. This isn't just instinct, it's learned behavior, a hallmark of high intelligence and culture. Whales are also masters of communication. Humpback whales are famous for their hauntingly beautiful songs, which are not just random sounds. These are complex, structured compositions with repeating themes, like verses and choruses in a human song. What's even more amazing is that these songs evolve over time. A popular new hit can spread across entire oceans, from one population to another, as whales learn and adopt new musical phrases. It's like a cultural trend spreading across the globe, but underwater. This ability to create, learn, and share complex vocalizations is a clear sign of advanced cognitive abilities. Beyond social skills, whales are incredible problem solvers. There are stories of humpback whales using a technique called bubble net feeding. A group of whales will swim in a shrinking circle while blowing bubbles below a school of fish. The rising bubbles create a net that corrals the fish into a tight ball, making it easy for the whales to swim up from below and gulp them down in one go. This requires teamwork, communication, and an understanding of physics that is simply astounding. They are essentially tool users, with their tool being bubbles they create themselves. And have you ever seen a whale play? Dolphins are famous for riding the bow waves of ships, and orcas have been seen playing with kelp, tossing it back and forth. Play is not just for fun. It's a crucial activity for cognitive development in many intelligent species, including humans. It helps them learn social rules, practice skills, and explore their environment in a low-stakes way. The fact that whales engage in complex play points to a mind that is curious and capable of abstract thought. They seem to understand the concept of having fun purely for the joy of it. So, the next time you see a whale breach the surface, remember you're not just looking at a massive animal. You're witnessing a creature with a complex mind, deep emotions, and a rich cultural life that we are only just beginning to understand. They are the thinking, feeling, singing giants of the ocean, and they deserve our respect and protection. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you were as amazed by these ocean geniuses as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the natural world. See you next time.